Lucy and welcome to my Nissan 350Z. Today I'm heading to Ace Café. Yes, Ace Café for the first time in maybe even a year. It's been a while since I've been at Ace Café for obvious reasons, but they have recently reopened and I'm heading to one of their first events. So I've got the Nissan in. I believe there's an S15 behind me that we should hopefully get flying past. Oh yes, an S15 Varietta. So yes, I shall catch up with you once I am a little bit closer to Ace Café. So we are just approaching the cafe now. We've got the S15 Varietta behind us, which is sounding amazing, and I'm looking forward to seeing what cars turn up because it's been a while. It's been a little while. So I've parked up right next to the orange Toyota Supra, and there's a couple more Skylines manoeuvring. We've got loads of Nissans and then the Toyota ruining the lineup. We've also got a Tomicara R34. But checking out this 2J of the Toyota Supra, we've also got a large spoiler on the back. Massive struts on the back of that, and some carbon style details on the rear as well. But there you go, the orange Toyota Supra next to my 350Z, and then the Tomicara R34 with the white rear bumper next to an R33 in purple. In fact, I'm going to go under there, and another R34 next door to that in multiple shades of white. We've also got a gate crasher. We have a hot rod turning up. I've seen this car a few times before. It is absolutely mental. I think it's about 700 horsepower. So it's meant to be a Japanese car meet. It's very American, but I think we're going to allow it in. Ah yes, the wheelie bar as well, and the cans of Noz. That's absolutely mental. So you got the twin cannons on the rear, almost like truck pipes with the little flaps on top of them. That looks mad, and the massive supercharger on top of the V8. So we've got Chevy 502, that's a 7.5 litre V8 with equal sized headers, you'll be amazed to hear, and the large supercharger on the top, looking to push around 900 plus with the Noz once that is connected up. And then of course set up for the drag strip with the parachute and the wheelie bar on the rear, but with rose tyres on today. But anyway, back to the Japanese. So the other side of mine, we've got this welded diff R34 next to an R33, a Civic Type R, and a nice clean Subaru white on white. Now we've got the Toyota Supra and two MX-5s behind. We've got the Mark 1 and the Mark 2 with pink details. Bring nails back on the Mark 1 MX-5. Hopefully there will be more tonight as it gets a little bit darker. We've got an Aston Martin DB7 turning up with a MX-5 Mark 2 body kit. How interesting. He has an S14 behind him with white wheels matching the MX-5 actually. Ah, another Supra with new bumpers and side skirts. And the Tomicara R34 is departing unusually. So the Evo has claimed the space of the Tomicara R34. Another S14 has just turned up. He's manoeuvring around. We've got the R33 GTR that I hadn't filmed earlier next to the R34. Oh yes, the R33 GTR has the light up Skyline logo on the back of it. Looking really nice. There goes the S14, don't know where he's going. And then we've got the Datsun at the front of Ace Café with the S15 Varietta with the neons next door to him. And then we've got an Evo next to the Varietta and another R33. And then next door to the R33 is an MX-5 and a provocative red interior of this tent. I can hear a Subaru that's just come in. Well, it's not this one, it's another one that's just bought around there, but this is a maroon Subaru with gold wheels. The engine is kind of on display. And then a Nissan 350 GT. We're now going to check out the Supra's interior neons. Oh, There they are. Oh, now you need to fit them to underneath the car.
And then I shall put neons to bring neons back.
Exactly.
I want to support your movement.
Thank you. But not only do we have the colourful internals of the Supra, we've got the colourful sparkly bonnet as well. Next along, we've got the MX-5 section, we've got the Mark 1, we've got the Mark 2.5 in a pearlescent white. There's a bit of a pink hue to that. And then we've got an even more pink hue to the sparkly wings on this Mark 2 MX-5. And this Mark 2 is next to another Mark 2 with an Aston Martin style front end and a Bic that I found. Lovely. Further along, we've got the turquoise Nissan GTR R35 and the red eyes on the Subaru with the golden wheels. And then there is a GT86, an R33 and an R3 RX-8. And that is pretty much the cars for inside Ace Café. There's a few more outside Ace Café, including the neons on the MX-5 that's been relocated here next to the Ford. What's going on here? I mean, are they all broken down? And who's Adam? I can see a spoiler. What is it? It is an S13. Purple with pink wheels and the spoiler. They are Nissan badges on the rear lights. I've never seen that before. My camera is detecting the Nissan logo as a face, unusually, but at least it's in focus. That's quite a nice rear end. Well done to her. That's a bit of a dodgy sentence there, but you get what I mean. And to check out this new Nova collection at Lord's Timepieces, which you can get with 10% off using Adam10 on lordtimepieces.com. And on the road, we have a slammed F11 BMW 5 Series Touring. Wow, there's an E-Class limo. What? It's so totally random. And a Laudi. So the grape-coloured R33 is departing already with another one behind it. Someone's arriving. Something is coming in. The limo is also driving by again. From the limousine. Oh, we've got a Toyota Mister 2 as well, turning up with a Honda Civic Type R with a spoiler. Gonna get some more flames. Yes, we are. We got more rivals. Oh, any more? Lots of R33s tonight. It's a Scirocco. It's a Mazda 323. Oh, R34. Well, that wasn't quiet. Neons and an S14 leaving the show. MX-5 is departing. Cheeky. MX-5s are off. I knew there was a smell. Off goes the Mugen Type R and the D46. Wow! A Renault Twingo! I love those. And next we have the orange Toyota Supra. Come back. Cheeky. Oh, off goes Blue Brew. Well. Cafe GT Skyline. It's just a 350Z. And here comes the monster that is the hot rods. Oh, the purple wheels are brave. Hadn't noticed those earlier. And the Datsun. Nice. Rap, rap, rap. The RX-7. Have left. Ace Café is now behind us. We have parked up by the tunnels just down the road. I think you know where this is going. I'm going to keep mine with the engine off, but we've got two R33 Skylines. They're going to line up maybe next to each other and have a little flame off. That was pretty much that for the Nihon Nights meet at Ace Café. So great to be back at the cafe once again. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Follow me on Instagram for all the highlights and updates about these meets that I go to. But for now, thanks for watching.